check your agitator, spin it to the right, then spin it to the left. When spinning it to the left, it should catch that bottom agitator and move with it. This one's broken, so let's fix that. Remove the agitator cap and remove the fabric softener cap. This will give us access to inspect the agitator dogs and the 7/16 screw that needs to be removed to remove the agitator from the washing machine tub. With the screw loosened all the way, use 2 hands, slide them under the bottom agitator, and just pull up. Here's the agitator cam and dog repair kit I'm going to be using to repair this agitator. These are the main parts right here, the agitator dogs that cause the agitation to stop. These teeth wear down over time and they just have to be swapped out. Remove the top part of the agitator from the bottom part. Usually this is easy and you just need to pull up. Other times, soap scum buildup may make it a little harder to separate. Here's the part that we are going to be replacing. You can see right here that these dogs are worn down and they're just not grabbing anymore. Since this kit comes with an extra thrust washer, we're going to replace the thrust washer. No special tools needed to replace this. It just slides in and out. You just got to line it up. Slide your agitator dogs into the cam. I would not recommend using the old cam. Just buy these agitator repair kits. They are very cheap. That way you can replace everything new to make sure that your agitator keeps agitating and cleaning those clothes. With all of these washer agitator dogs in place, hold the cam upside down and then slip over this locking ring until it clicks into place. This will keep the agitator dogs from falling out. Do a quick cha-cha to test it. Then grab the top piece of your agitator and slide it over the thrust washer. Then drop your cam right in. You want to make sure that it's sitting evenly. Some of these agitators on these top load washers are a little deeper and you may want to put the cam in first before sliding it over the bottom part of the agitator. I'm also replacing this O-ring that they sent in the kit on this 7/16 bolt. I wish they'd send a new bolt with this, but they don't. I'm also going to replace the O-ring on the fabric softener cap and clean it up a little bit before we reinstall it. Lube it up with a little bit of plumber's grease. That way when we do put it back in, it slides in nice and easy. Slide the agitator onto the gear case shaft. Reinstall the 7/16 screw to hold down the agitator. Reinstall the fabric softener cap, reinstall the agitator cap, and test it out. This is what a top-load direct drive washing machine agitator should look like when it's working properly. I'll leave a link in the description on where I got this repair kit. Just keep in mind that there are different size cams, so there's different size repair kits. My name's Dave. This fix is done.